Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us solve this. If root 3 is 1.732, we have to find the value of root of 192 minus 1 by 2 root of 48 minus root of 75. Correct means you have to write to 3 decimal places. So now what are you going to do? First thing we'll write this. So now let us take one by one. So for this one, 192, what are we going to see? We are going to take the factors in such a way that one number should be a perfect square. So we have to see for the largest number. Now look at here. This is 192. So 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 8s are, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So now let us see 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 12s are 24, 24 2s are 48, and this is here 4, but this number goes smaller. So what we can do here, once again we can do it. 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 48s are, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So yes, 64 is a perfect square. So now this we can write this as root of 64 multiplied by 3. So we have to look for the, because in the previous one what we could see that was, we were getting 4. That also was a perfect square, but we have to look for the bigger number. Now for 1 by 2, and now we'll take for 48. So 48 will be 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. So now let us go again for the perfect square. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes, 16 is a perfect square, 16 is a 48. So we can write here 16 into here 3. Now let us go for the third one. So now this will be 75. So this doesn't go with 2. So we'll go 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. So what we can see here is 25 and 3. So because 25 is a perfect square. So now what are we going to write in the next step? We'll write here. This is root of 64 means that is going to be 8. So 8 will go out of the root, and what remains in the root? This one, 3. Now again you will write 1 by 2. Now here this is 16. 16 will go out of the root. So that will be multiplied by 4 and root 3. Now here will be 25 when it goes out of the root. That will be 5. And that is root 3. So now how will you write this one? 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So 8 root 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3. So now when you simplify this one, so what will you get here? 8 minus 2 means that is going to be 6. And 6 minus 5, that is going to be 1. So what will be the answer? That will be just 1 root 3. That will be just, we can write this as root 3. And now they have given here the value of root 3, that is 1.732. So it's very easy now. So you will write 1.732, and they have said here that it should be up to 3 places of decimal, and which is already here. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.